Hi guys, this is Sumit and you are watching Knowledge Modulation. Today in this video, we will going to learn how to install HTTPD on CentOS 7 with AWS EC2 instances. When you want to deploy one website or one web app to your Linux server, you need to install some basic softwares over there. So for that purpose, we need one of the software named as the Apache Tomcat server, which is application server. It is the open source server and most efficient server. So we choose the HTTPD to install. So without wasting time, let's continue to the video. Let's continue to the login. I am logging with CentOS, my username. First, I will check there is service started or not, package is present or not. For that, I will just enter ps-ef grep httpd, and if there is one service but I want to install the httpd for root user. Now we will try with root account and we will install httpd as root user for all user. I'm just moving to my root user. When you are going to install any package, first thing you have to do is check update for OS. I'm just hitting sudo yum update. And yes, it is updating some packages. Let it be. Just click on Y everywhere when it is asked and wait to finish update. Now update is completed and I will directly hit command yum install httpd. And yes, it is working because as I updated OS and the kernel, it directly updates EPL library, and because of that, it directly reads the command and my HTTP installation is finished. Now I hit command systemctl status httpd and it is not showing that any service is running. So now first we will start the server by hitting command systemctl start httpd, and yes, command is OK. Now I will enable httpd application server for service. Just enter systemctl enable httpd. And at last we will check either we have successfully installed httpd or not by hitting this systemctl status httpd command. And yes, now you can see here the active and running state is showing in green color. It means that we have successfully installed httpd server on CentOS 7 with AWS EC2 instances. So friends, keep supporting me. Do subscribe for our channel Knowledge Modulation and keep watching our videos.